Well, hello students. I'm going to show you a math game that might challenge you a bit and have you practice a little bit of mental math and computational math. The game is called MSA Math Card Game. The M is multiply, the S means subtract, and the A is add. The first thing you need to do is remove the face cards from a deck of cards. So you need a deck of cards and just remove these face cards, the kings, the queens, the jacks. Take those face cards out. But you can leave the jokers in. The jokers can be a 0. All right, so now we just have number cards and the joker cards. Number 2, shuffle and put the stack in the middle. So I'm going to shuffle the deck, mix it up really well, better than I am doing. And put the stack, mix up the cards and put the stack in the middle. All right. Then you're going to play with a partner. Each player gets 2 cards from the deck and multiplies the numbers. So I'm player 1 and I get 9 and an ace. An ace is 1. Player 2, go ahead. What do you get?
A 6 and a 10.
So if we multiply that, so let's do player 1. Oops. Excuse me. Technical difficulties here. Here, I'll do this. Where is it? Sorry about that. Get my score sheet here. A 9 and an ace. Okay, so first of all, multiply. M is multiply, so we're going to multiply. I'm going to multiply 9 times 1. 9 times 1 is 9. But then the S is for subtract, so I'm going to multiply. I'm going to subtract that from 100, and that's where I'm going to use my mental math. So 100 minus 9 equals 91. My first score is 91. Go ahead, player 2. You're going to multiply what?
6 times 10.
Which is?
60.
And then subtract that. 100. Use your mental math. 100 minus 60 is?
40.
Exactly. So that's your score. You're going to play for 5 rounds. So I'm next. 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract that from 100. Using my mental math, I know that's 80. You're next.
3 times 2 is 6. 100 minus 6 equals 94.
Now while he's doing that, I'm checking to make sure he's doing his math correctly. 8, I'm using my mental math. 8 times the joker. The joker was the 0, so I know that's 0. So 100, 8 times 0 is 0, property of 0. 100 minus 0, property of 0, is 100. My score is 100. Go ahead, player 2.
3 times 9 equals 27. 100 minus 27 equals 73.
Okay, we're going to play for 5 rounds. We have 2 more rounds to go. 8 times 1 is 8. 100 minus 8 is 92.
6 times 3 is 18. 100 minus 18 equals 82.
And my last round, 4 times 6 is 24. 100 minus 24 is 76. Okay.
5 times 1 is 5. And 100 minus 5 equals 95.
Okay, so now that we've played the 5 rounds, we've done the multiply, We've done the subtract. Now we're going to add. So each, right? Remember, we did each player gets 2 cards from the deck, multiplies the numbers. For example, 6 times 7 is 42, or 4 times 9 is 36. Each player subtracts their product from 100. Example, player 1, 100 take away 42, 58 is the difference. 100 take away 36, 64 is the difference. The difference is their score. We're going to play 5 rounds, and now we're going to add up our scores. So I'm going to do the addition. I know 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17, plus 0 is 17, plus 9 is 26, plus 7 is 33. Carry the 1, 1 plus 1. 239 is my score. Go ahead and do your score.
That's not correct.
Did I not do it correctly? Oh, I did.
Not correct math.
I didn't do it correctly. Hold on. See, this is why I have my partner. He has to help me. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 7 plus 9 is 16, plus 8 is 24, plus 9 is 33. 3 plus 1. Is this correct now, partner?
That's correct.
Now, thank you for checking my math. See, I could have been wrong.
All right, 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. Plus 2 is 9. Plus 5 is 14. Carry the 1. 5 plus 9 is 14. Plus 7 is 21. Plus 8 is 29. Plus 9 is 38.
Okay, so my partner's score is 384. I am 439. It says here in the rules, the player with the largest sum is the winner. The sum is right here. I am the winner of this first game. Yay! And if I didn't do my math correctly, he would have been the winner. But since I did my math correctly, I am the winner.
Lesson, don't help your partner.
No. Enjoy, use your math skills to play MSA math card game where you get to practice multiplication, subtraction, and addition.